Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Look at the weather. This is the middle of summer and we've come down to Gallagher Park, as you can hear the music in the background, to the annual Gallagher Park live music event here in Bedlington. I'm going to say it again, in the middle of summer. As you can see, ram-packed. And the crowd went wild. Well, there's a new band on. You may be forgiven for thinking it's the old band with a different band name in different clothes, because honestly it's not. They said they've got a different band name and they're wearing different clothes. It's the same band. Well folks, sorry for such a short one. That's what she said. Anywho, yeah, the British summer has struck again, so it's a bit of a washout. See you all tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to the Mouth of Tyne Festival, and I have a feeling that may be wet too. Anywho, see you all on the next one.
That don't do job.
That's what she said.